Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Pinnacle. Now the Pinnacle is the largest or the tallest buildings in Jamaica, 4 towers at 28 floors each. It's a luxury development and one of the 4 towers is to operate as a hotel and the other 3 towers will be operated as residential units. So it turns out that the largest hospitality and lifestyle company in the world, Accor Enismore, is going to take over the operation of the Pinnacle. Now this is that company's entry into Jamaica. Now the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. Almost every hotel and major player in this industry wants to be in Jamaica. You find that those who can't wait to build hotels are buying out other hotel chains, and this company is signing an agreement to operate the Pinnacle. The Pinnacle is not even finished yet. The first 2 towers should be finished in 2027. And this company is going to be operating it. So we're going to tell you, let's tell you first the Pinnacle. Okay, we're going to tell you about this company, Accor Enismore, and then we'll talk about the Pinnacle after. Accor Enismore is a joint venture established in October 2021 between Accor, a global hospitality leader, and Enismore, a lifestyle hospitality company. This partnership created the world's largest and fastest growing lifestyle hospitality company, combining Accor's scale and distribution capabilities with Enismore's brand building experience. Global presence. As of June 2024, Enismore operates over 160 hotels with more than 37,000 rooms worldwide and has over 100 additional hotels in the pipeline. So the Pinnacle will be one more of these 100 hotels they're working on. The company encompasses 17 lifestyle and leisure brands, including the Hoxton, Mondorian, Mama Shelter, SLS, Hyde, Delano, 25 Hours, Tribe, Glen Eagles, and the list goes on. And they operate all-inclusive luxury resorts, including Rios and Our Habitats, high-end restaurants and entertainment venues managed by Paris Society. While Enismore has a significant presence in Europe, it is focusing its expansion efforts on the Middle East and the Americas. Plans include adding 27,000 new rooms, with 70% of this growth in the Middle East and 61% in the Americas. The company aims to capitalize on the booming tourism sector in these regions. Alright, so that's just a brief overview of this hotel, of this company. Massive operation. The largest, let me read that part again. This partnership created the world's largest and fastest growing lifestyle hospitality company. They have over 160 hotels with more than 37,000 rooms. So the hotel at the Pinnacle is going to be 214 rooms and the residences 417. So they'll be adding about 600 or more rooms to this 37,000 that they already operate. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.